Hey guys, it's Marty and welcome to Two Line Slot Cars. This week, we got a box. We got a box in the mail from our good friend Oliver at Professor Motors. Let's check it out. So a box showed up from Oliver at Professor Motors. A lot of you guys know him. We are headed there this weekend to live stream the Scaleauto 6-hour race in Michigan. And so we'll get a chance to check out the warehouse. I plan on doing a video at the Professor Motor Warehouse. Not just the live stream, but I'll create some content for my channel. We'll do a tour and see if we can find maybe a couple slot cars to bring home with us. I haven't bought a slot car in a while. I've built some slot cars, but straight out purchase, it's been a while. So maybe this weekend is it. But he sent me a box. Let's tear it open and see what we got inside. And so he kind of warned me that he was sending one thing he wants me to test, but the other one is kind of a surprise. So this is Professor Motor PMTR part 1038. All of you guys that run Carrera cars, you know, you're always searching for, I'm going to say it, you're always searching for good magnets. Now, these are direct replacement magnets for the Carrera magnets. Where's my Carrera car? I laid it out here. But these are a little stronger magnet, and Oliver wanted me to test these. And I think what I'll do is I will put it in my NASCAR. That's my newest Carrera car that I have. And I will test one of these magnets in the car. I guess there's 4 in this kit, or there comes 2 to set. Man, they're really strong. But he said that these are new, stronger magnets, a direct replacement for the Carrera magnets. So we're going to give that a test. That's awesome. Now, you guys know I run no magnet, but we do a little bit of magnet racing. When we run digital here, we'll usually run cars with magnets. And then he threw something else in the box, and I was not expecting this. This is the Professor Motor part number PMTR 4003. This is fencing. And we're gonna open this up and take a look at it. So this would be for fencing for your track to replace let's just face it, the guardrail that comes is not very good. And the one cool thing about this, made in the USA, and this says made in the USA, Professor Motor, and this snaps in. Figure out. Got it. So this is catch fence. Man, this fence looks good. And then this clips on the track. So we're gonna head to the track and put some of this together. Now, we did install a lot of this on the Scaleauto track last year. I remember doing that. But we'll pick a turn here on Two Line Speedway and put it up and get some shots of it. So let's head to the track, shall we? And install some of this. This looks really good. Okay, guys, I put a couple 3 sections in here. I have some guardrail up on all my turns, but I do have a few places where cars can come off the track, and I'm going to take advantage of that. These look fantastic, very realistic looking. You can see through them. They don't block your view. And they snap in. This is Carrera track, but they also work on Scaleauto track, Policar track. They're universal. They kind of clip in, and they look great. And so really add to the detail of your track. As you can see, very, very cool. Great looking fencing. So if you're in need of some fencing, it's flexible too, so it'll go around a turn. It's not just for straights. I just don't have any open turns that don't have guardrail. So, but I thought maybe you would enjoy that. Looks pretty good. Yeah. Keep the cars on the track. Okay, we're going to break into these magnets. I've got my NASCAR apart, and there is a long magnet and a shorter magnet. And boy, those are strong magnets. As soon as I set them on the table, they find each other. All right. So we're going to put the one just in front, just behind the motor in, because I do have some weight in this car. Okay, we put the rear magnet in, and while I've got the car parked, I have a set of super tires, 1314s for the NASCAR. And so we're gonna put those on and run some laps with this thing. What do you think? Let's check it out. Okay, we have a new set of super tires, cleaned. We have the Professor Motor magnet, and let's see how this NASCAR Carrera car goes. Now, I only have the track set at 12 volts, which is a little light for these Carrera cars. They like that 14 volts. So this car could go much faster, but it's locked in with this magnet. Barely have to hit the brakes. So I could definitely go up to 14 volts and no problems at all. It's running flat 7 seconds there. See if I can get under 7 seconds. 6887, there you go. Oh, 6887, and with a big D slot. All right, if you're wanting to upgrade the magnets in your Carrera car, this is a great option. I know it's just a magnet, and you can get magnets, but these are magnets that are made to fit in the Carrera car, in the slots. And I just put one magnet in, and it's locked down. And if you were running like a 250 gram magnet car race of downforce, these are probably the magnets. You might not be able to use both magnets in that. I don't have a magnet marshal to do that. Man, it's been a while since I ran a magnet car. Not bad at 12 volts, guys. That car is locked in. Great magnets. If you are a magnet racer and you want to add magnets to your NASCAR Carrera car, these are great replacement magnets. Well done, Professor Motor. Thanks, Oliver, for sending these to me. Got to give some credit to the super tires. Those super tires are hooking up, doing really, really well. Well done, Pamela. Guys, this is a great upgrade. Great upgrade for your Carrera car. So guys, the Professor Motor magnets, part number PMTR1038, great upgrade for your Carrera cars. Again, I just put the rear in, and this car is fast and good, and I wasn't even running at 14 volts. I was running at 12 volts. So pick those up today. Also, if you're looking for super tires for that, the ST1314s fit and look great. There's a look at them. They look like they belong on that car. Well done, super tires, and they're grippy. They do an awesome job. So, guys, if you like this kind of content, it's been a while since I've done some Carrera content, so it felt good to get back in a magnet car. If you like this kind of content, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell so you get notified anytime I put out new content. Oliver from Professor Motors, thank you very much. Go to professormotors.com if you are in need of any kind of, and you can order super tires there. So, but take a look at him. Has a great store. We're going to be there this weekend for the Scaleauto race. I'm excited about that, and I'll do a video of the warehouse so you can see what home base looks like for Professor Motors. Guys, thanks for tuning in this week. As always, go have some fun racing.